Take the tricolor paper sheets, cut small rectangular shapes from them, paste as per our flag's order, fold as shown here. Staple in the center and open the folds. Cut slightly from corners to get a curved shape. Take a small circle and draw the Ashok Chakra and paste it. Our flag based bow is ready. Take a plain white paper, fold it into half. Cut strips of green and saffron color. Paste as per sequence and draw the Ashok Chakra. Take a straw and stick as shown here. Our flag is ready. Take a colored paper, draw a flag pole, outline the same with Fevicol, sprinkle glitter on it adequately, remove the axis and your flagpole is ready.